Okay, so today we're talking about special parallelograms. You guys remember parallelograms, opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal, right? Diagonals bisect each other. The diagonal cuts the two triangles into congruent triangles. Now today we're going to talk about special parallelograms. These three, rectangles, rhombus, and square, these are special parallelograms. Let's first draw them. So this one will have 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. All angles are 90 degrees. Rhombus, all sides are equal. Okay? All angles are 90, all sides equal. Square, both. All angles are 90, and all sides equal. Okay? So let's break this down. Let's talk about angles. All angles are 90. All 90 degrees. All 90 degrees. Let's talk about sides. All equal. All equal. I should say congruent. All congruent, all congruent. Or as one of my students said, equal sign with a squiggly. All congruent. Any questions so far? So you guys see how this right here, all angles are 90, and this right here, all sides are equal? Well, a square is a rhombus. A square is a rectangle. If I say something's a rectangle, is it a square? No. If I say something's a square, is it a rectangle? Yes. Why? Because a rectangle is a parallelogram with all angles 90. Okay? So basically this is a combination of these two. Got it? Okay, so let's also talk about diagonals. So when we have diagonals in a rectangle, this is equal to this. Okay? Diagonals are congruent. If the diagonals are congruent and they bisect each other, because it's a parallelogram, you also know that these are equal to each other. All four of these are equal. Okay, all four of these pieces will be equal. So if I double this small piece, I get the big piece. If I take the big piece, divide by 2, I get the small piece. Same thing is true for a square. The diagonals will be equal, and all these pieces will be the same. Diagonals are congruent. So far, so good? Okay, something else is true about the diagonals. For a rhombus, the diagonals will be 90 degrees. In other words, perpendicular. All four of those angles right here will be 90 degrees. Same thing is true for a square. If it's true for a rhombus, it'll be true for a square. If it's true for a rectangle, it'll be true for a square. Diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals are perpendicular. Okay? That's all the information that you guys need for today's lesson. How can I ask these questions? I could have diagonals like this. I could say, oh, I know this angle. Find the rest. If I know this angle, can I find this angle? Yes. Why? Because these two angles are complementary. What does complementary mean? These two angles add up to what? That's supplementary. Not 360. 90. 90 degrees right here. So these two angles are complementary, which means they add up to 90. Make sense? Any questions?